Hello and welcome back. I honestly am surprised that you clicked on this video. Comments. As people tend to disregard comments in programming. Comments are a very important part of coding, especially if you work with 2 or 3 team members. It's important for all of you to understand what everybody else is doing. It's important to describe the mysterious parts or the difficult parts for someone else to read your code. He needs or she needs to understand exactly what that code block is doing. And you can achieve that through commenting. Now, the compiler in Rust or the interpreter for that matter in Python, for example, tends to ignore the comments. So it will not execute the code line where the comments are being placed. So simply in Rust, commenting is done by // for one line comment. This is a one line comment. Traditionally, if you want to put a comment in front of line or attribute it to one line, you can put it above that line. So this is for printing hello world. Also, you can put it here next to that line. So again, you can do // This is a comment for printing I feel lucky. All right, so that's the general idea. If you have a line, for example, if you want to comment that line, for instance, you can simply put // to comment that line out. If you work with Visual Studio Code, you can hit Ctrl// and it will comment it automatically. Let's say, for instance, that we want to comment these lines. It's not very efficient really to do like this, to put // in front of each line. The best way to do block commenting is by doing /* like that. Okay, and you can just enter this and you can put this here. And now you have this block comment like so. So this is how you do block commenting in Rust. And as you can see in the book, these are the non-doc comments. Comments follow the general C++ style of line / and block / and / comment forms. Nested block comments are supported. That's everything that I have for you today for comments. And with that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.